Hello friends, welcome to Phoenix Infotech's Java programming course. I will be your trainer. So initially I would like to introduce myself. Myself Pankaj Brahmankar, Director of Phoenix Infotech Computer Training Institute, Pune. I am having experience of more than 20 years in teaching programming languages. And I have also written more than 70 books on computer related subjects for TechNeo publications. For Java programming also, I have written several books like say Java programming for MSBT, Computer Engineering branch. Then Core Java for SYBSc Computer Science, Mumbai University. Then Advanced Java programming for MSBT, Computer Engineering branch. Okay, friends, now we are going to discuss our whole syllabus of Java programming. So initially we will see Core Java syllabus. So in the Core Java, first we are going to learn the object-oriented programming concepts. Then we will proceed for the basic Java programming concepts, classes and objects, constructor with all its types, finalize method or destructor, inheritance with basic two types, single and multi-level inheritance, then abstract class, then we will proceed for interface. After learning the concept of interface, we are going to see the remaining three types of inheritance: multiple, hierarchical, and hybrid inheritance. Then we are going to see exception handling, then package, multi-threading, and at the end, we are going to see applet and AWT. Now the duration for this course is 2 months, daily 1 hour. Weekly 3 lectures and 3 practicals will be there. Now we are going to discuss the advanced Java syllabus. In advanced Java, our first topic will be JDBC, means Java Database Connectivity. Then we'll proceed to RMI, Remote Method Invocation. Servlets, JSP, means Java Server Pages, Java Beans and Enterprise Java Beans. Then we'll proceed to networking concepts in Java. And at the end, we are going to learn the concept of swing in advanced Java. Now the duration for this course is also 2 months, daily 1 hour. Again, weekly 3 lectures and 3 practicals will be there from Monday to Saturday. Now friends, who can enroll for this course? To learn Java, the prerequisite is C programming, means you should have prior C programming knowledge. Now friends, Java is nowadays considered as the most powerful as well as demanding programming language. And hence, several opportunities are available as a Java developer in software industry. This course will be definitely open a gateway for you in software development industry. Now in our computer institute, Phoenix Infotech, you can learn number of programming languages like C, C++, Java, Advanced Java, PHP, Python, Visual Basic.NET, ADBMS, RDBMS, HTML, and JavaScript. Similarly, we are conducting courses for academic related subjects for engineering like FDS, OOP, DSA, TPL, DS, WebTech, and DBMS. And for first year engineering, programming and problem solving is there, which is basically common for all of the branches. Now, these are some benefits of learning course in Phoenix Infotech. You will learn from experienced faculties. Offline and online, both options are available. You are going to get printed notes, and our course will be 100% practical oriented course. Here we are going to build your resume. Then we are going to take your interview preparation. Then we will proceed for job assistance, means we are going to provide assistance for your job. Okay, so friends, if you want to join this course, then you can contact us at ground floor, Shishikant Srushti, near Sihagar Law College, Ambega. And you can call at 9822-370-273 or 9970-621087. You can visit us at www.phoenixglobe.com. So thank you, friends.